Hello and welcome to another update video about Link. Link just isn't moving at all. It seems frozen. Already posted earlier today on Discord that lets everybody get out of the car to give this chart a good push. It's just not moving, but okay, you know, many coins aren't moving at the moment. Actually, I had to check if maybe my screen was frozen, but no, it's actually the chart just not moving at all. We are in a similar situation as before. No, the same situation. Okay, so nothing's changed. So we're still dealing with, on this chart, a 5-wave pattern to the upside. Okay, so we are looking here at this 5-wave move up in what would be here a 5-wave move in an impulse to the upside, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which topped in March. 5 up in March and then, or into March. Okay, so this rally started obviously in June last year. And then we had the wave 1 top, the wave 2 pullback, the third wave, typically an Elliott wave, the longest, typically the longest rally in a cycle, and we call that 5-wave move a cycle. It's an Elliott wave cycle, and then this is obviously a pullback. Now this pullback, to be honest, it looks incomplete. It looks somewhat incomplete. We have this pullback currently labeled as an ABC structure in the white count. Let me zoom in a bit. And this C wave could get one more low. Okay, it looks incomplete. A wave down, B wave rally, C wave down. And that C wave should get one more low, the way it looks to me. Okay, and we have a wave 1 obviously in wave C. We have a wave 2 in wave C, a 3. Yeah, and this is where it's getting really ambiguous, because this wave 4 can take various shapes. It's possible that this C wave is unfolding as an ending diagonal. It's certainly not an impulse, but I'm considering it as an ending diagonal. And then the 5th wave would also be an ABC structure. And I mean, it's easily possible that this here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is this predictive at all? No. It just means that as long as we're holding the last high or below the last high at $15.20, this move down should unfold as per the white microstructure. It also means that the next low could be the last one if it reaches the area between 1068 and 892. So that's what we're looking for. However, I'm not saying this will definitely happen, right? I mean, we are basically in a situation where the low could already have been struck. But that's not the expectation until I see further upside. I mean, again, I'm not ruling that out, but even if we break above the last high at $15.20, it could easily simply be a larger B-wave rally. Now, there is one way out for the bulls, okay? So you could say that maybe this was a 1, maybe this was a 2, maybe what I've labeled as C will be a 3, then a 4 and a 5. Okay, but that would need proving. Okay, this structure needs proving because the downside looks fairly incomplete, and also the structure or the pullback is a little shallow. It's a little shallow, and it just, you know, you don't know. I mean, it doesn't look great just to end the correction with this sort of sideways mess. Okay, again, it needs proving. I'm not going to rule it out, but be aware that if we see this 5-wave move to the upside or a potential 5-wave move up, and we break first of all above that 1520 level, please be aware that one more high, I mean, it can always fail. Okay, if we see one more high, it can always fail after 3 waves. It can always fail here in this yellow ABC structure in yellow wave B. So that's easily possible. And therefore, you know, let's first see if it can get an upside breakout, and then we can watch for 5 waves. The yellow support region from where we expect a reversal is clear as well anyway. Okay, so that's anyway defined. And from here we want a reversal. It's just that it's currently unclear if, you know, if we're already starting that or not. We're waiting definitely for some upside momentum. We wait for Bitcoin to make a move, you know. And it's clear that the $12.40 level will be is an important level, because a break below that will invalidate the orange count and the yellow count. So that would clearly shift probabilities towards the white scenario, in which we could see another low around 1068 or 892. That's my update about Link. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.